In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Riffusion AI. So the first thing you want to do is go to riffusion.com, and then over here you will first have to log into your account. So first click login over here, and you can select if you want to log in with either Google, your Discord, or your phone number. So I recommend Google, but you can use whichever you want, and I'll go ahead with Google. Just click continue with Google, and then you want to select your Gmail account, press continue. And in just a few seconds, you can get started. So as you can see, I'm now logged in. You can see different things over here. You can click I agree and then press continue. You can then choose your username. So I'm going to just choose username instant how to, which is the name of our channel over here. I'm going to click done. There we go, and you're gonna get some updates. You wanna press let's go. Now from here, you can then start generating. Over here, you can see different featured playlists and different stuff picks, which you can of course select if you want to see something different. So we can see the following, live feed, today, this week, this month, or all time. You can see the updates down below. Over here, bottom left, you can see what's getting updated and when. And then you can access their Discord, their docs, and invite friends if you would like to invite them to this platform. So from here, you can then see on the left, you also have your home tab, which is basically the main tab where you can see these features, etc. You can then click library to see the songs in your library, your playlists, and your favorites. You can see the projects, which you can create a new one if you want to. You can again access playlists and personalize things if you want to. From here, you want to go to phone or on any tab really, and you can start generating and creating the music you imagine. So you can just press up here and you can basically prompt it or compose it. So you can add lyrics if you want to and make it instrumental or not, depending on your preferred needs. And the sound, you can basically describe the sound vibe, or you can just basically choose one down here, and you can choose advanced settings as well if you want to play with that. And you can also add details, which is to add title, image, prompt image, etc. Okay, so you can then add it to project or just create one if you haven't got a project yet and press generate. So this is the kind of more advanced way of doing it, but you can also just prompt it by going to prompt, and you can create the music you imagine. You can type in whatever you want or just press random over here, and you can add if you want it to be instrumental or not. And you can just press generate, and just like this, it will start generating your songs. So as I showed you, this is kind of the more basic way and the simplest way of doing it, but you can also of course go to compose and play with it even more. So you can put in basically whatever you want. You can use their ghostwriter over here. What should the lyrics be about? Let's say sunshine or something like that, right, for me. And it's gonna start writing for you, and AI will do the work and create a song for you completely automatically. You'll just have to wait a few seconds for this to generate, and you can then play around with it and generate your songs according to what you would like. Of course, it's gonna take like up to a minute for this to generate. As you can see, there we go. The first one is here already. You can then publish it if you want to. You can like it. You can click those three dots and basically set its privacy. You can set it to only me, so only you can see it. You can set it to anyone with the link, so anyone that's got the link can see it. Or you can publish it if you want to as well. You can add it to projects, the playlists, the queue if you want to, and even download it to your computer in 3 different formats over here and delete it if you want to as well. You also have your prompt over here, your sound, and your lyrics down here. You can read all of them. There's the verses, the choruses, the pre-choruses, post-choruses, etc. And then you can remix it if you want to. As a cover, you can extend it, replace it, or use a different prompt and add details in case you want to change the name or the image of this sound. So that's pretty much it. Those are the basic functionalities of Riffusion AI, and that's how you use it. And then if you go under your projects, of course, you can create one and then add multiple songs in there. But if you're looking for your past songs, you just want to go to library and you'll be able to always see them in here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.